Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a Twitter earning store. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my difference is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And after making a high of almost 3550, we can see that gold is comfortably trading above 3500. Right now, while recording the video, gold is recording around 3534 level. Yesterday, when we were discussing about gold, gold was trading somewhere around here, and we were also skeptical about a new high. We were expecting the market to come down, but gold is gold. As we all know, gold was super bullish, and gold is super bullish. Gold went for a breakout. Gold was unstoppable, and gold made a high of almost 3550 new number. Okay. So this is the current market scenario here. If you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold extends record run on strong safe haven inflows. So if you're wondering why gold was so bullish, then you can see gold price extended their record run on Wednesday as persistent market uncertainty and growing investor confidence that the US Federal Reserve will cut interest rate this month lifted demand for the safe haven metal. So it is bullish for the safe haven demand. In fact, in the morning I have also explained in the Telegram community also. So if you are still not a part of the free Telegram community, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. Be careful, there are lots of scams also going on in Binance. I don't have any investment schemes. So the community you can see here, bond market is falling. Yes, around the world, prices of long-term in government bonds are dropping, which means their yields, means the interest rates are rising. In Japan, the 30-year government bond yield hit a record high of 3.255%. So gold is going up. Investors are worried about government debt because the government debts are increasing, and this is not a healthy sign. So you can see that the safe haven demand of gold is increasing, as a result of which gold is super bullish, and there is a good possibility that we may see further upside on the chart of gold. There is no denial, but we also need to keep in mind one thing, that this week is very special because of NFP, non-firm payroll. But personally, I feel that already market has moved so much that this NFP may not be very dramatic or significant for gold, because I have seen whenever market moves before a major event, the price is already factored in, and when the actual news comes out, we either see the opposite movement or market doesn't move at all. So this week, I do not have much or high expectations from NFP because already the market is on fire. There is no doubt about it. So let's discuss the trading opportunity. This is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and we can see a series of green candles here. And obviously you can clearly see that market always move in a zigzag pattern, and right now market is standing at a record high. For a better understanding, let me take you to the hourly chart. So you can see market is standing at a high right now, so obviously a correction is due. Means I'm talking about correction, not trend reversal here. Trend reversal, is a different game. Trend reversal means market is coming down. Correction means, or retracement means, market will come down so that it can go up. And here we can clearly see that there is a potential of correction, but gold is gold. We don't know when gold is about to come down. So till then, we only need to react as per market situation. But obviously gold is standing at a record high right now, so if gold comes down also, do not be surprised, because demand and supply are the main things in the trading here. So if you already have any buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position. Again, I'm repeating, if you have any buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position, only to exit. The market is very much bullish. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously it will be better and safer for you to buy at retracement. You can see I have drawn many lines here. Let me explain one by one. The best level is around the box here. 3500 to 08. Simple logic. 3500 is a round number, so it is a psychological support. Moreover, the previous resistance will become the new support. So during the day, if market drops, definitely we can expect some support around 350008. If market doesn't go crazy, then obviously market will find some support around this area. If you see market is taking support, we can hit the buy button. And volume plays an important role here. Okay, we should not forget it. Volume plays an important role. So here, okay, here if market drops with low volume, okay, because see 3500 is far away, isn't it? Or 3508. So you can also look for some minor support around 3515, 3514. If you see that market is coming down with small candles, see, observe the size of candles now. They are small, means volume is low. So if you see market coming down with similar size of candles, then there's a high chance that market will take support around 351415 as well. Observe the market on this area. If you see market is taking support, you can hit the buy button. No need to go for big stop losses. Okay, 50 to 60 pips is decent enough. And if you're wondering about TP, in a market like this, your TP should be open. Okay, so these are the two levels where you can look for a buy position, and they are 351514, minor level. Okay, minor, but it should work in a situation like this. And 350008 is a major level. Okay, it should be able to hold the market and provide support. And gold is full of surprises, isn't it? Nobody knows. Okay, in case market drops heavily, then we can look for support around 348586, but chances are very low the market will come down to this area. So these are the levels where we can look for buy at retracement. Okay, and if market goes up from here, then we can look for a buy above 3550. But be careful. Okay, be careful, because as we have already discussed, market is standing at a record high right now. Okay, so if you go for a buy also, do not go for big lot size. If you see that okay, market is showing very much bullishness just like yesterday, high intensity, then you can enter. Otherwise, if you see same size candles, then go with a small lot size only. Where is the next resistance? Okay, obviously market is trading at a new level. Okay, it's a new territory, new zone. Nobody knows from where market is going to reverse, but you can expect some resistance around 358090 area. Okay, so if I go for a buy above 50, 3550, I will book my profits around 75 to 80. Okay, let's wait and watch. Market will enter a dangerous zone above 3550. Okay, so follow proper risk management and use proper stop loss. And those who are holding sell position, okay, you should have exited a long time ago. Okay, and if you still have not exited, then please try to exit when market will come for retracement. My dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker where you can trade safely without any tension, okay, with your hard-earned money, then you can consider opening your account in Vantage or Star Trader. Okay, they are one of the top-notch brokers, okay, globally, safety-wise. And you can see all the points I have mentioned here. Okay, so feel free to join Vantage or Star Trader, okay, if you're looking for a new trading platform. Or you can also join them, okay, if you want to become a part of our WhatsApp community, because in the Telegram I do not post regularly because it's a free community. In the WhatsApp community you will get timely updates, analysis and everything. So feel free to join Star or Vantage, okay, from our referral. Okay, and after opening your account and deposit, just open your account number in this WhatsApp. I will add you. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.